Hey there, are you thinking about retiring to Las Vegas? I'm sure you've heard about the 55 plus communities that we have out here, lots of them actually. But really what goes on behind those gates? I mean, seriously, today I'm going to break it down so you know exactly what you're getting into, what to expect and what to avoid. Sound good? Join me. Hi, and welcome. If you or your loved one is thinking about a retirement options, like at a 55 plus community, understanding what a 55 plus community actually offers is key. These aren't just about neighborhoods, by the way. These are lifestyle hubs that are designed for active, independent seniors. But not all communities are exactly alike. As a matter of fact, they're not all created equal, and choosing the right one can impact your quality of life, your social circle, and even, believe it or not, your financial future. So stick around. I'm going to walk you through everything from amenities to age restrictions to HOA fees and real life vibe inside these communities here in Las Vegas. So let's just kind of break into it right now. First things first is to know that a 55 plus community, also known as an active adult community, is a housing development that is reserved for residents who are 55 or older. It's that simple. Most are designed for independent seniors who want a vibrant, maintenance-free, active lifestyle. Here's some of the core features that you'll find in a 55 plus active community. First and foremost, age restrictions. That's right. Legally, at least 80% of the people who live there have got to be over 55 in age. Now, some communities are actually a little stricter, but it must be, for legally, must be at least 80%. You'll also find low maintenance living, like landscaping, exterior repair, shared spaces that are often managed by an HOA, which of course there's fees for that. And then there's amenities. Think like clubhouses, pools, fitness centers, walking trails, pickleball courts, social calendars packed with events and crafts and clubs, and a lot of them offer golf. And then you also want to think about security and peace of mind. And the reason for that is because many of these communities are gated. A lot of them are patrolled for safety, but then the cluster of people who have a common interest, your peers, are going to be in close proximity, and there's a tendency for everybody to watch out for each other. So what's the vibe in these communities? These aren't sleepy little suburbs. They're lively and full of community events. There's lots of interest clubs, game nights, fitness classes, volunteer groups. Many residents form very strong friendships over the course of the time that they're living together. Here's something to consider as far as your expenses go. Most communities, if not all of them, have association fees, HOA or homeowners association. They usually cover some form of maintenance, amenities, and some utilities. You're going to have property taxes. Las Vegas is tax friendly, but there's still a need to budget, and it would be wise to do so. And the cool part, when you're a senior, you actually get some discounts on some of your property taxes. And then there's the home prices, right? They vary widely from one community to another. Some are super affordable and some are absolutely off the charts luxurious. But is it a right fit? Meaning, is the senior plus 55 plus living right for you? Not everybody thrives in a planned unit community. Consider how much value your privacy is to you versus the community, and how active you want to be, and how much structure or quiet you prefer. See, what's the most important thing that you're looking for in a 55 plus community? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know what your thoughts are, by the way. It can help other people. Now, if you've toured a 55 plus community in Las Vegas, let us know what stood out about those communities, whether it was good or bad. Choosing the right place to live in retirement is one of the biggest decisions you and other people, our peers, will make. 55 plus communities offer a unique blend of freedom, community, support, but the key is finding the one that meets your lifestyle goals and gives you the lifestyle that you would choose to have. If you're trying to choose the right 55 plus community here in Las Vegas, or if you're just exploring options and have a bunch of questions, give me a call, 702-303-0040. My name is Mitch, and I'm with Keller Williams Realty. I am the senior focused real estate agent here in town, and I provide financial care and security for seniors going through a housing transition. You can reach me at the phone number provided, 702-303-0040. You can also click an appointment link in the description, whereby you can schedule a 15-minute phone call with me, and I'll give you a call, answer as many questions as I can, and see what we can do to help you out, right? Don't forget to either like, subscribe, or both. Hit the bell so you never miss a new tip. And here's the thought. Share this with somebody you think might need the value that I'm providing. Maybe they can see one of my other videos and it might help them, right? So share the video as well. Don't forget, your ideal 55 plus retirement community lifestyle could just be on the other side of that phone call. It's just one video away.